Hello kids, this is Archana, your English teacher. In this video, I am going to teach you about sentence, phrase and clause. Children, first let us discuss what is a sentence. Children, a small test for you. Can you guess the meaning of the thing that is mentioned in the box? Can you? Okay. Is it a sentence? Is it conveying any proper meaning? No. These group of words are not conveying any proper meaning. So, it is not a sentence. They are just a group of words. Isn't it, children? Just a group of words. Now let us see what do those group of words actually meant. After rearranging them, we get a proper sentence which makes complete sense. That is, he is a great actor and dancer who received many awards. Now, I have a small question for you. What did you understand about sentence? Just a group of words does not become a sentence until and unless it provides you a complete meaning. Isn't it, children? A group of words does not become a sentence until and unless it provides you a complete sense.
Now we will see what is a sentence. A group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. What is a sentence, children? A group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Let me give you some examples. For example, he sang the song well. Here, these group of words are making a complete sense, isn't it? So that's why it comes under a sentence. Next example, I saw a beautiful rainbow. And the other one is, the girl wrote a letter to her cousin. These group of words are conveying us the complete sense. So that's why they are sentences. We'll discuss more about a sentence. Do you know, children? Every sentence has two parts. How many parts? Two parts. One is subject and the other one is predicate. Let us see. The sun shines bright. In this example, the sun is subject. The naming part of the sentence is subject. The sun is subject here. And what we are saying about the subject becomes the predicate. Okay, in simple words, the saying part of the sentence is predicate and the naming part of the sentence is subject. So here, what is predicate? Shines bright is your predicate because I am talking about the sun. I am saying that it shines bright. So, shines bright is your predicate. So, when I am talking about predicate, the word shines is your verb. Okay, and the bright is the additional word. Okay, so predicate consists of verb and the other part of the sentence. So, you need to remember one important point here. Every sentence has a subject and verb combination. Every sentence has a subject and verb combination.
A small test for you. Observe the following. Okay, let me read out for you. In the afternoon, at park, a chain of gold, a great beauty, at a great distance, while running, made a mistake, under a tree. Now answer my questions.
What are those? Are they conveying any complete meaning? Do they have subject and verb combination? And tell me, what are they called now? Are they sentences? If we observe them carefully, those are just a group of words. Are they conveying any complete meaning? No, they are not conveying any complete meaning. But they are giving us some meaning. Coming to the next point. Do they have a subject and verb combination? No, they do not have any subject and verb combination. To say them as sentences, they are not giving any complete sense. As per the definition of the sentence, a group of words which gives you complete sense is called a sentence. But whatever the words I have shown you, those group of words are conveying some meaning but not the complete sense. Okay. To say them as sentences, they do not have subject and verb combination. Now tell me, what are they called? Tell me, children.
They are called phrases. In the afternoon, at park, a chain of gold, great beauty, at a great distance, while running, made a mistake, and under a tree. All these group of words are called phrases. But what are phrases? Let me tell you.
See, what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words which makes sense but not complete sense. What is a phrase, children? A group of words which makes sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. For example, during summer season. Now tell me what happened during summer season. Is it conveying you any complete sense? No. But it is making some sense. But it is not giving you the complete sense. So it is a phrase. Now the next group of words. Near my school. So what happened near your school? It's not conveying you the complete meaning. So it is also a phrase. A great deal of pleasure. Again, this is also not conveying you the complete meaning, but it is giving you some meaning. So all these kind of group of words which make sense but not complete sense are called phrases. And one more important point to remember is phrases do not have subject and verb combination. Look at the note. It does not have any subject and verb combination like sentence, and it does not give you complete sense. These 2 points you need to remember. One is it does not give you complete sense, and a phrase does not have any subject and verb combination. Now one more test for you. Here are group of words. Let me read out for you. The book lies. Unless you plan. Whenever you finish. Although the dam broke. Because you were late. Before you go to bed. What are these group of words now? Can you answer me? Let us understand these group of words very carefully. The book lies. Here, the word book is subject and lies is verb. Coming to the next example, unless you plan. In this example, you is subject and plan is verb. Let us see the next example, third example. Whenever we finish. Here, we is subject and finish is verb. Coming to the last example, they acted in a movie. Here, they is subject and acted is verb. All these group of words consist of subject and verb. Now tell me, what are they called? They have subject and verb combination. What are these called? Called clauses. What is a clause, children? In the previous examples, all the group of words consist of subject and verb combination. Now tell me, what are those? Those are called clauses. Let us know about clause. What is a clause? A clause is the combination of subject and verb. It is also a group of words. Children, just remember this formula to identify a clause. C is equal to subject plus verb. C is equal to S plus V. C for clause, S for subject, and V for verb. As per the examples, let us define what is a clause. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and verb combination. It expresses a complete thought. Sometimes it may be a sentence and sometimes it may be a part of a sentence. Practice. Before that, let me ask you, what is a phrase? What is a phrase, children? A phrase is a group of words which does not give you complete sense, but it gives you some sense. And it does not have any subject and verb combination. But what is a clause? Clause is a group of words which has subject and verb combination, and it expresses a complete thought. Look at the first example. Let us practice now. The warm and sultry weather. Here, The warm and sultry weather is a group of words. It does not have any subject and verb combination. Okay, it is not giving you the complete sense to call it a sentence. So it is just a phrase. Look at the next example. When I study, it is expressing complete thought. Okay, I is subject and study is verb. It has subject and verb combination. But it is not conveying you the complete sense, but it is giving you complete thought. So it is a clause. Look at the next example. My parents and friends. Okay, what? What next? My parents and friends. What happened? It is not giving you complete sense. And it also does not have any subject and verb combination. So it is a phrase. Now look at the next example. Go away. Here this is a clause because go is a verb. And this particular sentence or this particular group of words has a hidden subject, that is you. Generally we say you go away from here, isn't it? If you consider this example, it is a command. There is a logic to understand that we generally say this to the listener like this: you go away, or just we say go away. So here you is the hidden subject. So it is a combination of subject and verb. Subject is you and verb is go. It is a subject and verb combination and it is expressing you the complete thought. So it is a clause. Knowledge is also a phrase because just they are group of words and it does not have any subject and verb combination, and it is also not giving you the complete sense. So it is a phrase. And next one, a letter to a friend. This is also a group of words. It is not giving you the complete sense. And let me go to the next example. As I have joined dance classes. So here in this particular sentence, I is subject, have is verb. I is subject, have is verb. C is equal to S plus V. Here you have subject and verb combination. So this comes under a clause. It is also expressing you the complete thought. So it is a clause. Next one, the golden scales of the fish. So this is a phrase because they are just a group of words. It does not have any subject and verb combination. It is just a group of words. Next one, Abhilasha has a guitar. Abhilasha is subject, has is verb. It has subject and verb combination. It is also expressing the complete thought. So it is a clause. Next one, she composed the song I Dream Awake. This comes under clause because she is subject and composed is verb. It has subject and verb combination. It is also expressing the complete thought. So this is a clause. I hope you all understood all these examples. Quickly recap about what we learned. So we learned about sentence, phrase and clause. Let us understand the difference among these three. A sentence has a group of words, a phrase has a group of words, and clause also has a group of words. Group of words is common among these three. Now coming to the next point. Sentence makes a complete sense and phrase does not make a complete sense. And coming to clause, clause expresses a complete thought. Sometimes it becomes a complete sentence too. And it is also a part of sentence. Coming to the last point. A sentence has subject and verb combination. Phrase does not have any subject and verb combination, whereas clause has a subject and verb combination. I hope you understood about sentence, phrase and clause. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.